Hi. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of reordering Matter tabs. Here's how. Go to System Settings and choose Tabs Configuration under Matters. Select the tab configuration you want to reorder and click the gear icon to edit it. This setting is applied separately to corporate matters and litigation cases, allowing you to reorder tabs within each configuration type individually. On this page, you'll encounter a list of tabs. Some are system defaults, while others are custom pages you've created. To reorder, click and hold the tab you wish to relocate. Drag it to your desired position. Perhaps you want the Attachments tab right under General Info. Then release the tab. The system will automatically save your changes, and it will be applied to the Matter pages with the selected tab configuration. If you wish to revert the tab order back to its initial configuration, you can easily use the Reset Order button. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.